each one, take a hammer to open them and shut them. Yeah, through my daughter. She had them do windows at her place, and they put in 15 windows. Wonderful. The crew, when they showed up, it was just the one guy, and he said the other two would be along later. And once they showed up, they said, we just hope you're not really soft at heart, because when we take off, we're going to take off. And I'm telling you, they took off, and one of them did this job, one of them did that job. And in 12 hours, they had done 15 windows. Every one of them knew their job. Every one of them was yes ma'am, no ma'am, very polite, knocked. They were outstanding. We love them. The look's different because there's no panes in between. I'm able to open them and shut them. Sure, my folks used Energy Guard too, and I tell them go for it.